We look at survey, we look at data, and since 2021, 2023, meron akong bagong data surveys that says more than half of Filipinos support the LGBTQ plus community, and there is a groundswell of people claiming these rights. So I think napaka-importante na point na yun to hold really our government officials to pass the bill. And we also have to look at it na, sabi nga ni Barbie, malayo na tayo. In the last 23 years of organizing, we have articulated protections needed on the basis of gender identity, gender expression, sexual orientation, and sex characteristics. Nakita natin from the Silverio case until now, Magna Carta of Women, Safe Spaces Act. So we, at some point, may movement na nangyayari, diba? So for us, we're struck, aside from supporting the Comprehensive Anti-Discrimination Bill that includes sexual orientation, gender identity, and gender expression, our now endorsed bill on legal gender recognition, and then the SOGI Equality Bill. We also provide, as we've said, we're trying to ask for what other concrete steps that we do. We do legal accompaniment. No, our support, syempre advocacy is a big work, and I think you have to recognize that this advocacy work demanding for more work for us to do. You have to also understand that we are also limited in terms of our capacity, but we are doing our best to make sure that our infrastructures to accommodate these concerns within our movement is working for us. So we do alliance building, we do networking, we do a lot of advocacy, we do lobbying, but also to make sure na ang sometimes Pinay na nakulong, na na-detain, at ngayon nasa jail for BJMP for 2 days, we have to let her out. We need CHR, yes, we did that last year. So there was one trans girl na she was detained, may isang Christian person na nakita siya sa female CR and then asked her to be detained, no? And she was detained for 2 days. And then we have to respond to her, and then we have to ensure that CHR is there, our legal people are there to help her. So we had those reports, and she was really shaken, diba, sa nangyari. But because the government had SOGI as the ordinance, they were able to help her in some way. And then we had CHR to help her. We were there. We were on the scene when it happened. So these kinds of things, because we have very limited time to say it, of course we'll not say it here. Because we're moving in all, in these spaces. And so I think there is that recognition. And even if we're not doing it, advocacy work is still a big thing. It's still something that needs to be done. And that's why, this kind of campaign is important, to